Good morning, children. So, today we are going to start our sixth lesson. Its name is Lesson from the Sea. So, read the following passage titled The Sea by Michael Quest. Lord, I saw the sea attacking the rocks, the somber and dragging. From afar, waves gained momentum, high and proud. They leaped, jostling one another to be the first to strike. When the white foam drew back, leaving the rock clear, they gathered themselves to rush forward again. The other day I saw the sea colored, serene, and calm. The waves came from afar, creeping not to draw any attention. Quietly holding hands, they slipped noiselessly and stretched at full length on the sand to touch the shore with the tips of their beautiful soft fingers. The sun gently caressed them and they generously returned streams of light. So, the above two paragraph which I have just learned is the two contrasting qualities of the sea described by the author, in which the one is about some negativity of the sea, in which it compared it with high and proud, kept jostling with one another to whom to be the first to strike, and the other one is the calm and the serene sea came nicely holding hands like, and sun gently caressed them and they generously returned streams of light. So these two qualities are about the sea, in which one is ragging and proud and the other one is calm and serene. So, children, note the two contrasting qualities presented by the above descriptions of the sea on the two different occasions: pride and humility. These are the two highlighted qualities presented in this chapter. It is a fine symbolic representations of the two divergent attitudes that influences human behavior in the opposing ways. Divergent attitudes means in the different directions which influence human behavior and attitudes in different types of ways. Okay. So, pride is a negative quality and here is symbolized by the ragging sea, ragging and wild sea, waves, and humility on the other hand is a positive quality and is depicted by the calm and serene sea. One is an evil trend and the other one a welcome virtue. This line is very beautiful, that one is compared as evil trend and the other one is a welcome virtue. Pride, as a proverb suggests, goes before a fall. Okay, when you are about to fall, we are getting a pride. Here's the sea rushes and hits again the rock only to break up. So also pride in man makes him rage and rush and meet his destructive end. When you are proud of yourself, you will meet to your destructive end. A proud person rises high and falls low. In his arrogant ways, he leaps forward and falls backward. Pride in the person many a time suggests that he feels insecure and safe. He may then become angry and attack others ruthlessly. It makes him feel hurt easily also. In an attempt to achieve things for himself, he may try to attack and defeat others, and this very attempt he defeat himself. So a pride person never getting a success nicely. It is a negative quality. When a person is getting proud of himself and proud and pride, he becomes to fall very nicely. He leaps forward and after that he falls backward. So he may get easily angry, and in that angerness he destroy everything and he defeat himself also. Okay, so pride does manifest itself in a disdain and haughtiness towards others. A proud person has an undue sense of his own superiority. He is feeling superior in his own way. He is never listening to others. Pride may also be seen as conceit, which is an exaggerated opinion of one's own ability or worth. Then there is vanity, a form of pride, which may be understood as an excessive desire for admiration, while vainglory points to undue boasting about one's accomplishments. Okay, so what is pride is a negative quality which makes a person to feel superior about himself. He's giving himself his own worth and so much of attitudes and beliefs he is having about his own, that he is never going to listen about others. He is getting he is having desires of getting extra admiration in everything. So this is a negative quality in which the poet compared the qualities of the sea also. So students, this video you're getting up till here only, which is the negative quality about explanation about pride. Next class you are getting the explanation about success and achievement, which is the positive quality and is compared by the second paragraph in this lesson. Till that time, thank you.